What's up, guys? Tom here with Extreme Air Vents. Up on the hill today in this big meadow doing some clutch tuning. It's like 6 below, it's pretty cold, but just wanted to share a quick tool that makes on the mountain adjustments super easy and fast. So as you can see here, making some adjustments. We're testing out some top secret arms here from Hot Rod Sled Shop. And to adjust the magnets, got to prop the clutch open a little bit. So I have this tool. I ordered this from Goodwin. It comes also with the clamp. So man, this thing is awesome. Let me see if I can do this one-handed and show you how it works. But basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set that so that it's down in this area, and then you'll put this tool, I'll get it on there and show you how it sets. Okay, so this is the tool. It sits back on the back half of the fixed sheave, and then all you do is cantilever this cam. That piece fell off. We'll set that in the toolkit here, and then all you have to do to close it is cam that over, and we're done. So super fast. That is a really cool tool. I ordered this a couple years ago and I've always kept it with me, but if you're a clutch nut, get you one of these. I'll put the part number below. Anyway, bros, never stop tuning, never stop. Just, it's so fun to test and tune and figure things out and help work with people. But anyways, I appreciate you guys following along on this adventure of the YouTube, and it's actually pretty epic conditions right now, and it's killing me because I came up alone, and I only would ever do that. I'm only a mile from the truck. I could walk out if something happened. I would only ever do that that close to the truck or just for tuning. So I'm not going to get off out of this meadow. I'm right next to the trail. If something happens out here in the meadow behind me, I'm walking to the truck. 1 mile, I can make it. So anyway, follow along, like and subscribe. Peace out, brethren.